Also, price point $10.50. That's the regular price.
Stay off the cuff, that's OFF. Show them bars to the worldwide net. All the drinks made yet, pass one to me. Blessed he, the old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
Virginia is for grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we're coming to you from the other Virginia, aka West Virginia, Martinsburg, West Virginia to be specific. And today we are at Stoney's. One of my homies hit me up from the Real Husbands of Loudoun County group. He said, you gotta come out to Stoney's. I put it on the list. 2 weeks later, he texted me again and said, you gotta come out to Stoney's. You hit me up once, I added to the list. You hit me up 2 or 3 times, I'm coming. This is our first old-fashioned Friday that we've ever done in the state of West Virginia. If you just tuned into our channel, we are Virginia's for Grubbers. We review old fashions every single Friday of the week, 52 episodes a year. We've been doing that for 3 years, over 150 episodes to date. We review these old fashions off of 4 things: 0 to 3 on appearance, first sip, overall taste; 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the establishment. Max score you can get is a 10. We've had 2 10s in 3 years. Let's jump into this appearance right here, baby. Single cube, nice little orange peel, decent sized glass, not clarified ice. However, this cherry on the menu, I looked at it and it didn't say Luxardo, and I was like, what is this cherry? I didn't recognize it. It's called Amarena cherry. And the reason I'm pronouncing it like that is because I Googled it. Said they come out of Italy, similar to Luxardo cherries. They also come out of Italy. And I text my Italian homie who was whining and complaining a few episodes ago when I butchered an Italian lady's name. Anyway, so I was like, how do you pronounce this? And he said Amarena cherry. I will not only be reviewing this old fashioned, the appearance, first sip, and overall taste, but I'm super excited to try this cherry because out of 150 episodes, I've never seen an Amarena cherry. Max score you can get without clarified ice is 2.5. This is close, so we're gonna go 2-3 off of appearance. We're gonna jump into this first sip. Here we go. Bomb. They're using a Rittenhouse rye, incredibly clean. I've done a few old-fashioned Fridays with Rittenhouse ryes, and almost all of them were a little too spicy. And when I say spicy, I mean too much of a kick to it. So when I saw Rittenhouse, I was a little concerned. I'm like, this old-fashioned might be coming in hot, coming in super clean, super smooth. I could drink like 3-4 of these easy. All first sip, I'm gonna go 2.8. We'll jump into the overall taste, and we'll talk about the ambiance of Stoney's too. Here we go. Now, as far as the ambiance is concerned, you can see where I'm at right now is a beautiful, massive, large outdoor patio in the back of the restaurant. I walked through the restaurant, beautiful, nice sized bar as soon as you walk in. Ambiance is beautiful in here. I feel like when I walk into a bar, it doesn't matter if it's super fancy, if it's literally the biggest dive bar in America, I can feel the energy as soon as I walk in. And I know if I'm gonna enjoy drinking or dining here right away. And as soon as I walked in here, I felt like, okay, this is a spot. This is a spot I will come back to for sure. We're gonna go full 1. We'll jump into this overall. Here we go. And don't forget, we're doing this Amarena cherry. We're gonna get into the Amarena. Okay. Pretty consistent. Again, hot day, outside, no clarified ice. Ice cube's gonna melt. Also, price point $10.50. That's the regular price. As far as overall taste is concerned, no clarified ice. It's gonna get diluted because of the ice cube melting. We're gonna go 2.7 on overall. We'll get into this Amarena. I don't know, it tastes exactly like a Luxardo cherry. And I read online that the Amarena cherries taste a lot more tart, a little bit more sour. Maybe they ran out of the Amarenas and they just gave me a Luxardo, who knows, but it tastes almost identical to a Luxardo, which is a plus, because Luxardo cherries are the best cherries on the planet as far as I'm concerned. 8.8 Stoney's, Martinsburg, West Virginia, Virginia's for Grubbers. Cheers.